This isn't just about house flipping. This is the moment I stopped living for someday. And if you've ever felt stuck, if you've ever said, I know I'm meant for more, this video is for you. Because I was stuck for a very long time. But then I finally moved. And when I did, everything started to shift. For years, I was playing it safe, like most people, like most of you. I had a great career in television. I helped produce and develop so many hit shows, including Intervention, 60 Days In, Triple Digit Flip, Duck Dynasty. I was surrounded by creativity, by momentum, by people building things. But somewhere, deep down, I was stuck. It was a really hard feeling. I was successful on paper. Everyone would look at me and go, of course, you must be the happy, you're so all of the things. But in my soul, I was restless. Like I was meant to build something of my own. But I didn't know what. And I was scared to find out. Those golden handcuffs, they're for real. So I told myself the usual lies that I'm pretty sure you're telling yourself. Now's not the time. You've got kids. Be responsible. What if it fails? What if you're not good enough on your own? So I waited and waited and waited. Then one day, I looked around and realized that fear, not going to go away, never going to go away. But neither was the desire for more. Did I want to live a life of regret that I didn't try? No. So I made a choice. The choice not to be fearless, but to move anyway. And that's when everything changed. I found incredible partners, RJ and Dylan from Blue Wolf, my wife, Samantha, who's always been a creative force. She stepped in and designed the vision, and we locked up that first flip in Lenore, North Carolina. A place I didn't know existed until I found this property. And that journey was not easy, but it was real. I was doing the thing. And it proved to me, I'm still a creator. I'm still a storyteller. I'm just building a new show now. You know what that show is called? My Life. All right, so I gotta work on that title, but My Life. That first flip changed my confidence. But then the second, that changed my belief. We found this Newton property off of Facebook, a charming little home in a small town. Most people overlook. They don't know exists. But we brought it back to life with care, with heart, and with intention. And now it's on the market. It's not just a house. It's a symbol. A symbol that momentum compounds. A symbol that one scary step can lead to something extraordinary. A symbol that waiting never delivers what doing does. A symbol that waiting never delivers what doing does. There were words that helped guide me when I didn't believe in myself. Clarity comes from action. Marie Forleo. The person who shows up consistently wins. Alex Ramosi. Don't downgrade your dream to fit your current reality. Trent Shelton. It's never too late to be what you might have been. George Eliot. Those voices, they filled the silence when my own voice was shaking. But eventually, my own voice got stronger. And I realized my story matters too. Not because I've made it, no, but because I'm in it, just like you are right now. So if you're watching this and thinking, I'm too old, I missed my window, I don't know where to start, I'm going to tell you the really hard truth. You are not too late. You are exactly where you need to be. You are right on time. But the clock, it doesn't move unless you do. This is not about flipping houses. It's about flipping your mindset. It's about building a life that feels like you again. And let me tell you, you don't need to do it full time. Get rid of that excuse. I'm spending a few hours a week on these flipping homes, some more, some less, depending on the week. Because I'm a dad. I'm still a husband. I'm still building multiple things. But I refused to sit in someday any longer. And if that's you, I want to help. Do you want to invest with me? Call me. If you want to learn how to flip on the side like I'm doing, call me. Or if you just want someone to walk this road with you, call me. Actually, DM me, comment below, get a hold of me any way you can. Let's talk, especially if you want to invest with me. And one more thing, if branding and visibility are your thing, or not, because I can help you, I'm opening up the $2 bill brand Hollywood Accelerator, a workshop for established entrepreneurs and people who want to become unforgettable in their industry. Taking Hollywood's elite with AI to you. Details on that are going to come soon. And next week's videos, they're going to go far deeper into this. More truth, more brand storytelling, maybe some more flips. And if this video spoke to you, please share it. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Tell people about this. I think what I have to say, some of you may want to hear. Send it to someone you know that needs to hear this. Keep showing up. That's your duty. Why? Your dream, it's waiting. But it only moves when you do.